My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody disapproval. I should've worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every song is getting more bleak. A fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say, yeah. My church suffers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll ascend to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to begin. Like a dog, I'm trying to lie. Tell you I can't see you can talk me all night. For me that death is down to God. Let me give you my life. Anything to return. I'll put you like a dog, I'm trying to lie. Tell you I can't see you can talk me all night. For me that death is down to God. Let me give you my life. I'm thinking of the things in my hands, but I'll never make some lie. Keep the guns on my side. Get the message out from the body. Try your own thing. There's something shining. Something meaningful the maker. There's somebody looking out. Put your God in the stable. Live my hours on the paper. That's crazy. That's plenty. It's just something. Take me to the top. You like a dog. I'm trying to lie. I'll tell you what's missing. You can talk me all night. For me that death is down to God. Let me give you my life. Take me to the top. I'll put you back in time. I'm trying to lie. I'll tell you what's missing. You can talk me all night. For me that death is down to God. Let me give you my life.
I'm sorry, I don't know of Bridget.
Well, that's not what you said when you hugged me last night.
You think we're an item just because I gave you a hug? Trick! You better think again.